checking in. It is 3:45. I finished everything that I wanted to accomplish to reset for the new month. I simply cannot believe that it's already November. I was working on my November goals and intentions, and I was also doing my November vision boards, so I thought that I would share that with you guys. But before we get into all of that, I wanted to reflect on my October goals and intentions, just so we can see what we did / didn't achieve and how we felt about the month. Overall, I feel like October was a great month for me. So my October goals, I wanted to do mat Pilates 3 to 4 times a week and reformer Pilates twice a week. I actually kind of flipped the two. I went to reformer Pilates at least 3 times a week, and 3 weeks out of the month I actually did it 4 times. So I'm really proud of myself for pushing to go 4 times a week. The classes that I go to have been extremely hard, but I'm really proud that I pushed myself to go 4 times a week. And then I did mat Pilates like at least once a week, and I went on a lot of walks. And then I wanted to land 2 UGC collabs. I only landed 1, which kind of was a bummer. I finished 1 book, and that was the Empire of Storms book from the Throne of Glass series. I did eat at home 4 times a week when I could. There were 2 weekends that I traveled, and obviously I can't really like control if I'm gonna be cooking with my friends or not. But the times that I was here, I did eat at home 4 times a week, so I'm very proud of myself for that. I did not journal every day. I started off strong in the beginning of October, and then towards the end, like with traveling, I just feel like I'm not really drawn to grab my journal and to write everything that I'm thinking about. It's because I'm just like away from my environment, so I want to do a better job of journaling every day. And then 8 YouTube videos. I only posted 7 videos this month, but I'm not gonna be that hard on myself because there was 1 video that was supposed to go up before the month ended, but I just wasn't really proud of how it came together, so I'm not gonna like push out content that I don't really love. And then my intentions for October was to dress up more and stop waiting for the right occasion. I definitely did so. I posted so much to my Instagram because I actually felt like I went out and like dressed myself better, and it just made me feel confident, and I took a lot more pictures this month. Thing before spending money, I was way better than the previous months about just like reckless spending. I didn't fall into any like fall trends. I haven't really purchased anything, and I'm really proud of myself for it because I don't feel like I'm missing out. Less consuming, more creating, definitely did that. Reflect weekly in my journal, need to work on that. And then daily movement, I killed that this past month. So going into November goals and intentions, this is my vision board. It's very similar to last month. And then going into November goals and intentions, goals, reformer Pilates 3 to 4 times a week. I've already booked all my classes for this coming week, so minimum it'll be 3 times a week for me. I get 10K steps a day. I need to push myself to get out of the house and to go on walks. And then I want to eat at home again 4 times a week, journal every day, and like actually stick to it, not just the first few weeks of feeling good in a new month. And I want to stick to my content calendar plan, which I will dive deeper into in a different video, but I did start making a content calendar just so I can like stay focused and see everything that I'm putting out, and I feel way more organized that way. Intentions, I just have 3 this month. They're the same from last month. It's to dress up more, stop waiting for the right occasion. There's literally no right or wrong time to dress up. Before spending money, obvi, less consuming, more creating, obvi again. Yeah, that is my November goals and intentions and my vision board, and I'm feeling very refreshed for this new month. Also, there was a package at my door, and it was from none other than YSL, and they sent me 2 fragrances. And can we take a minute? First off, it's like this dark gray, almost black fragrance. It's really cute. Not a huge fan of the smell. I already smelt it. But she's just very cute to look at. I am a fan of this one, however. Very fruity and strong. But also, look at the little bow. I'm obsessed. It's so cute. Thank you, YSL.